Hey guys, and welcome to a very special episode of Behind the Closed Doors. Because today it's open house in our studio, and that means demos, hands-on equipment reviews, of course, and people can actually see our studio. So we've set everything up nicely, so let me take you through it. Oh, and if you never saw it, this is actually the entrance of the studio and also where the makeup room is. Let me show you. So this is where we normally sit with our students before the workshop to do the Q&A and actually build the workshop. And this is where our models can go really loose. We have a lot of masks, we have a lot of accessories and all the other kind of stuff that we love to use during photo shoots. Here we have our makeup mirror and of course a lot of clothing. And some of this stuff is actually from us, but a lot of stuff is also from Nadine. And Nadine, as you know, has a vintage store in Arnhem. So we borrow some stuff. And as you can see here, there's always a lot to choose from. And that's great because you need extra clothing during photo shoots. Because, you know, not all models are the same and not all the sets are the same. So having variety is awesome. So in our kitchen, now, first things first, of course, if you have a kitchen from a photographer, we of course have 2 sinks and a whole refrigerator filled with chemicals and of course a film. It's always cool to do your own stuff, right? And here we have a battery. And this battery doesn't support the studio, but it actually earns us money on what we call the onbalance market. So that battery doesn't run the studio. So if there's a power outage, we still, well, are dead in the water. But what the battery does is, if there's any problems on our energy grid, it will help the energy grid. And that's where we get a little bit of a discount on our energy bill. And the discount is actually pretty high, especially now. So we were pretty early with the battery. So when we get in, it was still a lot of revenue. Now it's getting less, but it's still a very viable solution for, well, to get your energy bill down and help a little bit with the environment. So, of course, opening the studio doors and no lights. So let's first turn on the lights. There we go. So, and we have set up everything nicely for the demos today. So we have people sitting here. We have our demo set up over there. And of course, our products. The new product Platypod for us, and of course IQ wire. We have our Rogue strobes, our Gigoto strobes and Rogue modifiers, of course. Our banners, and we did a great job again. So really looking forward to it.